Supper time at GCM Racing. People are just arriving. Hey, how you doing?
What's happening?
Smile, you're on YouTube.
YouTubes.
Here's the GCM booth, registration. Some of the GCM trucks. And yes, that is my Winnebago. The GCM special event vehicle that I made with a C-Max chassis. And then there's a whole bunch of other GCM trucks that are there. And there's the Jimmy 1/6 scale, which is really cool, but they really modified it. Here it is. Like, the guy that weathered this is just amazing what he's done. The dash actually lights up. Hey, the guy doesn't have any feet. But just the rust that he's done on the floor panel is just like crazy. Oh, there's his shoes. So this is really crazy what he's done. The motor, like the details of all the weathering he's done on this. It looks so much better now than it does just on that weird plasticky look that it does. Amazing job on that, just amazing. More trucks. This paint job on this is just like amazing. Nice and clean, nice and shiny. Looks almost like a real truck. City truck, dump trucks, some cinder blocks, motor on that. Another thing that Chris has done to his Range Rover is he's got the leathering in front, which is kind of cool. There's some missing, but you can see that they were there. That's a good touch. But it's this. So it's this guy that's actually driving, which is the painter, which has a bunch of painting at the back. And this is one of them that he's done, but he's actually reproduced it here. But just the details on this motor is just crazy. He used to have his battery up here. I don't know where what he puts his battery now. But just the radiator, what he's done is just like cool. And the servo is actually hidden under here, which is nice. Nice work on that, that's for sure. Nice weathering. And then we have all the FMS truck on the bottom. Go have a look at this guy. It's a nice truck also. Nice detailed engine. I like this trailer. This is a cool trailer. This canoe on top. Love the look of this canoe. Really nice. True North RC really does a lot of nice cool stuff for the trucks, that's for sure. Little crawling blocks there for the truck. Here's C-Max with dualies. Oh, look at the C15 engine on there. Crazy. And it's got hydraulics system or vacuums. I guess he's going to do something special with that, which is going to be nice. And a whole bunch. Look at this. You can put this on your truck in your mirror. And then we have the license plates. Some bongs for your truck. Scale items galore. We have some Starbuck from True North RC. Tim Hortons cup. And Starbucks. Some coolers. Here's some tags for your trucks. Kenworth, Peterbilt's, Chevrolet. Here's Ford, Toyota. Lots of cool stuff. 3D engine to go over the motor. This is a scale garage. And there's the one on the bottom. Lots of work on here. Should have brought one of my stickers. Lots of work went into here. Lots of detail stuff, little tiny trophies. Elvis, he's not dead. Or is that not Elvis, but the other guy? All pool table. Pool balls are made with little tiny airsoft tanks. Little banners. Nice railings. Arnold with his bike. Oh, the guy's waiting at the cash register. Hey, you got some Crocs. Got a Coke machine, tire balancer. And then there's Cheech and Chong's car. More stuff on the bottom. It's crazy. More stuff on top.
So school was good.
People at the Tech-In over there. Well guys, that's the first video. This is the Saturday night. People are just coming in to Tech-In and things like that. So we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is the day of the event. So it's a quick recap. A bunch of trophies for tomorrow. So talk to you guys later. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And go charge up some batteries. Go out there and break something. Because if you're not breaking anything, you're not having any fun. Cheers, guys. We'll talk to you later. Say bye, Seb.
Bye.